I'm just out here for the night. I'm gonna be sleeping underneath my tarp and practicing some bushcraft. I'm just hiking around right now looking for a spot to set up camp. I got a ridge line up between two trees. I used an event hitch and a taut line hitch. And then I used 2 prusicks with toggles to hang the tarp from that ridge line and then just stake down the back of it. The wind has predominantly been coming from my back, so I face my shelter this way, but with my luck, it'll switch up on me later. Now I'm just gonna gather some dead trees so that I can build a raised bed. It's nice sitting up on a platform around the fire, and it's also gonna help keep me warm tonight. That's always the hardest part of these